Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make my GoDaddy website searchable on Google. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, sign into your GoDaddy account by heading to the GoDaddy website and clicking the Sign In button at the top. Once inside, go to top right and click on your name. From here, select My Products. Once you are here, click on your website and you will be taken to your website detail page. This is where you can manage and edit your site. Click Edit Website to open the backend editor, where you can modify content and adjust key settings for visibility. Next, go to the Settings tab. This area contains several options for customizing your site, including search engine optimization, SEO tools. Look for the option called Get Found on Google. GoDaddy has made this feature simple for beginners to use. Click on it and then select Start Optimizing. From here, you can begin improving your site's SEO. This includes using the right keywords, ensuring your website loads quickly, and making sure it's mobile-friendly. Keep in mind that ranking on Google doesn't happen instantly. It takes consistent effort, quality content, and regular optimization. You can use tools like Google Analytics to track performance and make data-driven adjustments over time. You need to sign into your Google to complete this process. Finally, while GoDaddy's SEO tools make things easy, it's worth spending some time learning basic SEO principles. Understanding how search engines work will give you a real advantage in boosting your site's visibility. There are plenty of free resources online to help you get started. And that's it. So that is how you can make my GoDaddy website searchable on Google. So that's all for this video. Thanks.